Welcome Kasturians. In this video we will discuss chapter 4 of geography, that is agriculture. So agriculture, what is agriculture? Actually agriculture is the art and science of cultivating soil, raising crops and rearing livestock, including fishing and forests. As we know, India is an agriculturally very important country as two-thirds of its entire working population is engaged in agricultural activities. Now we have the different types of farming which has been practiced in India. That is, there are various types of farming systems prevailing in different parts of India, but the first and foremost of these is the primitive subsistence farming. This is a sort of slash and burn agriculture which is done with the help of primitive tools like hoe, dove and digging sticks, and it involves family community labor. The farming depends upon monsoon, natural fertility of soil and suitability of other environmental conditions for growing crops. Then we have the intensive subsistence farming. In this type of farming, community labor is involved. That's why it is a labor intensive farming where high doses of biochemical inputs are provided and irrigation are used for obtaining higher yields or higher production, especially when the size of land holding is small and a large number of people is to be fed from the same piece of land. Then we have commercial farming. See, commercial farming is done using higher doses of modern inputs, example high yielding variety seeds, chemical fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides for obtaining higher productivity. Plantation of different types is also a sort of commercial farming. Now the question comes, what is commercial farming or what does it mean by commercial farming? See, a sort of farming practice in which a farmer grows crops with an aim of selling the crops in the market. In this, cash crops are included, that is the crops which are grown by the farmers to sell in the market like tobacco, cotton. Now we have the cropping pattern. See, cropping pattern depends upon the cropping season. So we have three types of crops, that is the Rabi crop, the Kharif crop and Zaid. So what are Rabi crops? Crops which are grown or sown in winters from October to December, and they are harvested in summer. Means their sowing season is from October to December and harvesting season is from April to June. The important ones being wheat, barley, peas, gram and mustard. Then we have Kharif crops, the crops which are grown during the monsoon season in different parts of country and which are harvested between September to October. The different crops grown during this season include paddy, maize, jowar, bajra, arhar, moong, urad, cotton, jute, groundnut and soya bean. Then we have Zaid. In between the Rabi and Kharif season, the short season of summer months is known as Zaid season, and the major important crops which are grown during this season are known as Zaid crops. These crops include the vegetables and fodder crops for feeding the animals also. Now we have the major crops. The major crops which are grown in India are rice, wheat, millets, pulses, tea, coffee, sugarcane, oil seeds, cotton and jute. Rice is the staple food crop of our country. In fact, after China, we rank second worldwide when it comes to production of rice. That's all we have in this video. The remaining part we will be bringing in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.